Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and if you have projects that you could complete if you only had your tools ready to go on a whim, let me tell you why this battery-powered brad nailer from JOVANT is the convenience you need to get some projects done. Getting this baseboard and shoe molding back in place took only a minute or two, but I kept putting it off because of the time it was going to take to set up my compressor for my pneumatic brad nailer. This nailer has the option for 2 batteries, so you're always going to have a charged battery ready to go, even if the other one's plugged in. It's also easy to set the depth that you want to recess the nails or staples based on the material that you're working with. All you got to do is move the scroll wheel to the left or the right. Loading the fasteners is just as easy, and it's going to be familiar to anyone who's used a brad nailer. One point to note is to load the staples toward the top rather than the bottom like the nails. Since I had saved so much time, I decided to complete another project on my list by using staples to fix some loose fence pickets that had only 1 screw in them. Using galvanized staples, this was really simple and I got the job done in no time. Actually, it was really refreshing not to have to look at those loose boards every time I looked at the fence. And of course, that was so easy. I switched to the contact mode for our front fence and secured some loose boards that never got screwed in either. If you have some occasional projects that you could check off your list if you only had the tool ready to go, then check out this brad nailer by JOVANT. And that's my point of view.